Here is my latest Funko Disney collaboration. I believe this is the last in the series. I got an email from Funko that they were discontinuing this, so that's a bummer. I really liked it, but at least they finished out the last one. So it says the Ever After Castle, February 2018, and I've seen several boxings, so I already know when I open it there is no map. And the other unboxings, I had this map in like a paper format, and it showed like where you were on the map, and you can see Ever After Castle is the last one. So I do not know why they cheaped out and did not include a map on this in this last feature box. Quite a bummer, but Disney does that. They get your hopes up and cheap out. There's been several. I don't mean to be negative because this is a cute box. I'm just disappointed because there's been several Disney series that I have signed up for and they never finish it. They always stop for whatever reason. Anyway, on this one, it's a nice Luminaire patch and then a Donald and Daisy pin. So open this up, and they did include the sticker. And then this is really cool. This is Eric and Ariel in their wedding gear. That is very cool. I love that. And then we have this little Lady in the Tramp key. I think these are keychains. This is adorable. I really do like those. That's very nice. And then it has the mystery 10 box, and I did already remove the plastic so I could open it with one hand. I just haven't opened the bag yet. So let's see what we got. So give me 1 second when I tear this open with my teeth. Oh my god. Maybe I should have someone else open this. Alright. Bear with me. Oh my god, I'm gonna put my phone down for a second. There we go. Sorry about that. It's hard to do this one-handed. So this is a classic mini with her tail. I just call it classic mini because if you, there are earlier cartoons, this is kind of what she looked like, and they've remade the cartoons where she looks like this again. So it is cute. I like that she has a tail, and it comes in a cute little tin. So overall, I like everything I got. I'm just disappointed that this is the last one, and I kind of feel like it's missing something. I need to go through my other boxes because I know I got more than 3 items. So Disney really kind of cheaped out on the last one. So yeah, that's it. This nice dual Ariel and Eric in their wedding gear, Lady in the Tramp keychain, and then this mini vinyl, which I know in the past we've also got book bags and socks, and besides these toys. So I don't know what Disney's problem is. So I'll still buy stuff. I'm just disappointed in how they finished out this series. They could have did a lot better. So yeah, look, it only took me 3 minutes to do this video, and it usually takes longer. But the boxes are nice. It's a nice box. Nice packaging pin. So if you bought this series, tell me what you think. Were you disappointed with your last box? You know, you like Disney subscriptions. Has Disney subscription ever burnt you? I'm curious to see if I'm the only one who's a little disappointed. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.